In this video, you'll learn how to build a multi-agent system in n8n. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you'll create a functional automation workflow that utilizes multiple agents effectively. Begin by navigating to the n8 workflow automation interface. Open your web browser and enter the URL for n8n. Once the page loads, you may need to sign in with your credentials if prompted. After signing in, you should see the main dashboard. Next, locate and click on the plus icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. This action will create a new workflow. After clicking the plus icon, a new blank workflow page should appear, allowing you to start building your system. After that, click on the workflow link or button to ensure you are in the correct section. This will take you to the workflow editor where you can add nodes and configure your agents. You should see options for creating and managing your workflow at this stage. Now, click on the Create In button to begin adding elements to your workflow. This option is usually prominent on the screen. Once clicked, a menu should appear, providing you with various choices for workflow elements. Following this, select the Personal option from the list that appears. This selection will allow you to create a personalized workspace for your agents. After making this choice, you should see a confirmation that you're in the personal workspace. Next, click on the Build with AI option. This feature is designed to help you leverage AI capabilities within your workflow. After clicking, a new set of options related to AI tools should be displayed on your screen. Continue by clicking on the Build button to initiate the construction of your workflow. This action will prompt the interface to prepare for the next steps in your workflow creation process. Once you've clicked Build, you will encounter another Build button that you need to click again. This may seem repetitive, but is a necessary step to ensure the workflow is set up correctly. Now, type in Build a multi-agent system in n8n in the text field provided. This title will represent your workflow and should be clearly visible on your screen once entered. Ensure that the spelling is correct before proceeding. After typing the title, click on the Enter key to confirm your entry. This action will register the title and prepare your workflow for the next steps. You should see a confirmation that your title has been accepted. At this point, a message indicating thinking will appear, signaling that the system is processing your request. This message may take a few moments to disappear, so please be patient as the system gathers information. Following this, you will see a message stating, "I'll help you build a multi-agent system in n8n." Let me start by gathering the necessary information about available nodes. This indicates that the system is preparing the necessary components for your workflow. Next, a message stating getting suggested nodes will appear. This means n8n is searching for relevant nodes that can be integrated into your multi-agent system. Wait until this step is completed. After that, you will see a message indicating search in nodes. This shows that the system is actively looking for nodes to enhance your workflow. The duration of this process can vary based on your internet speed and the number of nodes available. You will then receive a message stating editing workflow. This indicates that the system is finalizing the configuration of your multi-agent system. Allow it some time to complete this process. Next, you may need to wait for it to generate the workflow. This process may take a while, especially if your system is complex or if there are many nodes to process. Be prepared for a brief waiting period. Lastly, it might take a while for the entire process to complete. Monitor the screen for any updates or messages indicating the status of your workflow creation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.